come back. So in this video, we're going to build out, or create, I should say, a new composition. And really what a composition is it's a combination of different elements. For example, media files, right? So you have a video file. Let's say you have an audio track. You have a graphic. You're compositing or bringing everything together, okay? Think of compositing as making a cheese and turkey sandwich, okay? The bread is the composition. The turkey and the cheese is the video and the audio. And then let's say you want tomatoes on top. That could be the graphic. That's what composition is, okay? I call it compositing, but composition, okay? In the video engineer world, we had words called composite video and component video, okay? So they use it not only just for After Effects, but in the technical world as well. Now, the composition name. Let's call it Project 1, project number 1, space, dash, logo. Why do you do that? That way you know exactly what this is and where it's going. So there's no guesswork, okay? All right, so that's how you create a new composition. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.